Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use the OS module in Python to start up text files, Word files, open JPEGs, start apps and even open a directory. So I'm going to start off with the first one, and this is called Start Text. So we're going to start a text file here. So I'm going to put the path to the text file. I've actually forgotten, it's on my desktop somewhere. So I've created something here called Z, and it's got some files in it. So let's go back there, shall we? Sorry about the state of my desktop. It's really untidy, isn't it? Anyway, let's have a look. So that's going to be C users mark desktop, and the folder that I've just put it in was called Z random. So when you do this, you're going to have to use the file path to your desktop and then create a random file. You can create any kind of random folder. Oh dear. Right, now we're going to use os.startFile. I'm just going to simply type in path. All we have to do now is call the program start text. Okay, let's run it, and there we go. Okay, made a little bit of a mistake here. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I meant to do the name of the text file. What is the name of the text file here? I've kind of mucked up a little bit. Let's just go back there. Okay, so the text file is going to be URL. That's it. Kind of screwed up a little bit there. Whoops. Okay, so that's going to be url.txt. Okay, so let's save that and let's run it. Okay, and we've started up our text file there. Right, I'm just going to change this a little bit, and I'm going to call it Start Word. Okay, so we're going to start up a Word file, and that Word file is on here. Let's have a look. It's not that one. Where's it gone? It's that one there. So our Word file is going to be called A. So this is a docx file that we're going to start up. So that's going to be in the same file. That's going to be a.docx, and just change that. Start Word. Save it. Run it. Okay, there you can see the Word file is starting up, and we just got some random rubbish in it there. Okay. Right, we're going to go on to a JPEG now, and let me just have a look here. The JPEG. So the JPEG is going to be called B. Okay, so very simple. So that's going to be b.jpg, and that's going to be called Start JPG. JPG. Again, Start JPG. Let's just save that. Let's just run it. And there we go, started up the JPG. Right, okay, we're going to do something now. We're going to do something a little bit different. So I'm just going to get rid of this. And this is called Start App. So application. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put an error handler in it just in case it doesn't start up, but it will. So we're going to use os.startfile. Okay. We don't actually need this here. We don't need the path, so we can get rid of that, or I'll just copy that and then delete it. Let's make that look a little bit nicer. Okay, so I'm going to start up Notepad as an example. .exe there, and then we're going to use the except. For the exception, I'm going to use exception as E, so that will catch any kind of errors. And underneath, I'm just going to simply type print unknown error. So that should be alright. All we have to do now is call the function start app. Simple as that. Save it, run it. Valid syntax, oh dear. Sorry about that, guys. I keep thinking that I'm in Perl when I'm not. I'm in Python today. So let's give that another run. Okay, there we go. We've opened up the WordPad app. Okay, and the last one that I'm going to do is directory. So I'll just wipe that out there. Start directory. Okay, and I'm just going to import the time module there, I think. So that's going to be import time, because I want to put a little bit of a delay on this when I'm opening it, so it looks like the program is working. So we're going to print out a message to the user to tell the user what's going on. Opening directory. Okay. And then we're going to do time dot sleep, and we're going to give it a pause of 2 seconds there. And then we're going to use os.startfile, and what we're going to do, we're going to put a path to the directory that we want to start up. So I want to start up the downloads one, so that's going to be users mark oh, that's wrong. Users mark and simply downloads. So this is the path to my downloads directory. It won't be the path to yours, so you're going to have to find your own unique path, or else if you just simply type this in, it's not going to work on your system. Okay, we're going to call it start directory. And we'll just move that down there to make it look a little bit nicer. I'm a bit itchy tonight. I think I've got cat hairs on my face. Okay, let's save that and let's run it. Let's see if we can open the downloads directory. There we go. Everything's open, so we're in downloads right now. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.